Hi, I'm Myrtho Leon, also known as Bella. Style with Bella from Style and Snow. And I also own my own little small business called BellaK Pacifier Clips.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. What is that? The clips.
Oh,
Sounds
they're passy clips. So I hand make them with silicone and wooden beads. Yeah, for pacifiers, which they also call dummies. And it was inspired by my little newbie love, my son Cairo. Yeah, you can hear him in the back. It's you can use it as a passy clip. The babies usually chew on it because the silicone and wooden beads are good for teething babies. And I also make them into like rattles.
blog as well, right?
Yeah, so I write for Style and Snow. Actually, the editor is Siobhan. So she's also on there. She's the owner of Style and Snow. So you guys can go follow her at Style and Snow. Um, and she was doing she was promoting her page on IG, and then she wanted to know if there were any style bloggers, writers, and I kind of entered and I won the spot. So that's how I got started with Style and Snow. That's always something that I've wanted to do with blogging and styling. I had started when I had my 5 year old. So that was about 5 years, almost 6 years ago. But then, life happened and I quit. Yeah, I kind of quit vlogging. And then I don't know, it's 5 years later, I ended up with another little one. So I was like, why not? Why not start vlogging? I like fashion. I like styling my family. I like helping style my friends. So that's how this got started.
Well, I definitely been checking out your Instagram, and your looks are amazing. So I can see why you love fashion and how you can write about it because you know what you're doing for
Thank
sure.
you. Thank you.
How did you find out about Azul hair collection? What has been?
Well, you guys kind of popped up on my feed. You popped up on
Oh,
my feed, and I clicked on your link, and I saw that you had awesome kinky curly hair for natural growth, and I don't have a perm, so it was like I was like, okay, let's see what this hair is about. I've tried a couple, and they weren't so great. So when I bucked up on your page, I clicked, I bought it. So then I didn't install it right away. So when I did install it at Think Mink NYC, they're in Brooklyn, guys. They're the bomb. They put in installations awesome. Um,
wow.
yeah, she did an awesome job putting it in. At first, I was a little skeptical, but then when she was done, I looked and I was like, "Oh, this is amazing! It matched my perfectly." And I can do a lot with it. So I usually, I use the same products that I use on my real hair on the hair because it is a natural hair. So at night I'll twist it with the curl cream and I'll use water and leave-in conditioner to give it, moisture and lock it in. And then, whenever I'm leaving in the morning, I take it out and it looks nice and, full
Yeah.
and same. As natural hair do shed, so as I'm combing it out, I'll get a little bit of that, but that's natural, that's normal. But the hair is awesome, like I must say, I love it. I
Awesome.
can't
Awesome.
wait to
Well,
try other things. I'm gonna try and put some rods in.
love you too. So you're wearing the kinky curly. I'm wearing the Brazilian wavy that I actually just straightened out.
Okay.
Um, I've got this light on me, so I'm sweating a little bit, so it's starting to kink up again.
No, no worries.
I actually like what you're wearing is probably my second favorite of our collection. Like I normally wear my hair straight, but when I just like to wild out and have my natural hair, because I am natural and I don't like putting a lot of heat on my hair. So the kinky
Damaging
curly, and I use the cooking. You just put it on, you just wet it, like you said, treat it like natural hair, twist it out, and it just pops. So we kind of connected. I think you complimented our products, and I saw that you had a fashion blog, and I was like, man, I would love for her. And I saw your style with the kinky curly hair, and I was like, man, I would love for you to like do something for us. So you're going to be writing a blog, a guest
Yes,
post blog.
I will be. I'm excited about that. I can't
And
wait.
you won't tell me what it's about. I'm like super excited too. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna like just kind of So we're super excited. I know it's about fashion. I'm sure it's going to be hot. But that is something to look forward to. And I'll be posting the link to her Instagram and also the blog, so you all can check it out yourselves. And also, if you're a subscriber to Azul Hair Collection, we'll be email blasting you a reminder as well of when it hits next week. So that's all much for your time and your little one giving us a little of your time. I know it's precious.
Yes, yes, yes. He's usually good at sharing, mommy. He's usually
Yeah,
good. Yeah.
he's adorable.
I cannot wait for I do have a 16 and a half year old, so she doesn't really wear weave. She's natural as well. So I can't wait to get her own set of kinky curly for the summer so she can, wear her little weave, 16-year-olds.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us for our episode. And like I said, I'll be posting the link down below where you can follow Myrtho Leon and her blog and also purchase from her. Say it for me one more time.
BellaK pacifier clips and teethers.
There we go. I'll post it all below so you can get your own as well. All right. Thanks for joining us, guys. We're going to say
Thanks so
bye.
much, Nikki. Bye-bye.
Okay, there we go. Oh, hey guys. I hope you enjoyed that interview with Myrtho Leon, as she is such a sweetheart. She was such a pleasure to talk to. Please, subscribe so you don't miss out on her guest blog posts on our site. Also, too, I want to put the link below, like I mentioned, of all of her Instagrams. You can follow her fashions, also her blog. Gotta hear my mouth. Anyway, what I really wanted to tell you is that Myrtho has decided to partner with us as an influencer. And we've started this new influencer partnership program. So if you are interested in partnering with us, I highly suggest it because you can actually make money. Just go over to our website and click on the free product link and it'll tell you all about it. But essentially, I'm going to put Myrtho's link below. If you click on her link and shop on her site and buy, you can actually get $5 off your order just by using her link. Just a little insight, if you become an influencer with us, you're going to enjoy super deep discounts on products. Also, too, you get $10 for every person that you refer that buys from us, and that is $10 in straight cash. Well, not exactly like cash, but I will send you a check or we can PayPal it to you or something like that. So I think it's a really cool way to earn some money on the sly and still look good and build your own hair collection. So anyway, thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see y'all next time. Bye.